Go ahead. It's a monster.
Barrel in.
She's too excited.
It says do not go in. It's a monster. You gonna go in? Go.
We'll all go in.
What does the door say?
Hurry.
Oh, it's a monster. It's a pig. I think it might be a, we got toddlers. Hello. Say trick or treat.
Get some candy from the house. Not some of those. I'm so scared.
Ooh.
Come on, say happy Halloween. Come on. Get the candy, boy. Open the bag. Come on now. That's the chainsaw-wielding. Come on there. Oh, that's scary.
Do you not?
This thing is.
Boo.
Or y'all's neighbors.
We want to come in the haunted house.
Spoil it, don't run your drink.
That is awesome.
Now go to the
He's coming.
I dare.
Yeah, come on.
Well, that was scary. He had that pig mask on. He had the chainsaw. He had a pig mask on. A pig mask. What you gonna scare me? Yeah, what you gonna scare me? Oh, you gonna scare me? Yeah. What? What? Knock on it.
Okay. Trick or treat.
Ooh. Hey. Okay, you ready?
Enter.